Welcome to Coding Classic. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an e-commerce Shop Now button using HTML and Tailwind CSS. Before we begin, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. Starting from boilerplate. Let's edit the title. We use font and semicolon on this project. I use the CDN link. I use 6.0 version. Let's look for 6.0 version. Copy the CDN link. Paste the CDN link in the head of the project. Next is the Tailwind CDN link. You can get the Tailwind CDN link from their official website, but I want to type it here. Let's extend Tailwind's default colors with custom purple shades. We are done customizing our theme. Let's head over to the body of the project. Input the button tag. Then, add the font or semicolon inside the button tag. Add the text before the icon. Let's preview our work. Here is the preview. Let's start styling using Tailwind. Firstly, let's place our work in the center and change the background to dark color. Here is the preview. Next is styling the button. Let's check the preview. Here is the preview. Here is the preview. Finally, we are done with the project. Let's preview. Here is the preview of our final project. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.